We are working really hard to stay on the cutting edge of the new technology. It's going to be a lot of software updates and technological advances to the labels. It's going to be so much fun. We can't wait to show you all the details. It's going to show some pretty new stuff on it. It's going to be really neat.
Yeah, we're going to be releasing some stuff for you guys to see, but it has a lot of cool things that you've never seen in this industry before. We're really excited for it, and we're excited to show you guys as well, so it's going to be great.
All right, see you next time, Yetis.
All right, see you, Yetis. There's a lot of really cool things that's going to be happening with the machine. Machine.
Error.